I feel a little disconnected. Nothing better, can't correct it. I take a little, so effective. I feel a little disconnected. I feel a little disconnected. Nothing better, can't correct it. I take a little, so effective. I feel a little disconnected.
Keep on and on. On and on. Keep on and on. On and on. Keep on and on. On and on. Keep on and on.
I feel a little disconnected. Nothing better, can't correct it. I take a little, so effective. I feel a little disconnected. Disconnected, 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 disconnected.
It sounds like Toy Story. That's a big one. So anytime I go, watch this. First of all, beautiful. Eyes open looks crazy. Okay.
It's happening.
Let's do this. Yeah. Let's go. What's happening?
Romancing now.
All right. So grab your hair again. Head back. Mouth closed. Eyes open toward the sky. Weird, right? Okay. Okay. Now eyes closed makes a little more sense. Close your mouth though. Tense. Relax the mouth. Better. Good. That's such a little. Like, I'm telling you, that's like the thing I say most in a shoot is mouth. And it just, because like we're at the beach, you should look like chill and relaxed, like you're in the sand, like you're getting sun, like why would you be like, like there's no, it doesn't make sense.
Should I buy IPM?
Yeah.